Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tambam. Today I'll be doing a YouTube video on a quick makeup routine in 2025. So if you still don't know how to do your makeup in 2025, I've got you. It's just a quick, simple makeup routine. So first, I'm going to be prepping my skin. It's very important to prep your skin before you do your makeup because it just gives a flawless foundation. Like, it lets the makeup sit on your face proper. I put on my SPF already. I have dry skin. I don't have oily or combination. This is my vitamin C serum. Then I put my moisturizer on as well. As you can see, this is for very dry skin. So my Huda Beauty primer, really like this. I love it. I think it's because this is like water based and I feel like it just brings hydration to my face. My Got To Be glue. And then I use the back to like kind of push my eyebrows down, create the eyebrow shape. And then I just quickly wipe off the excess glue. Multitasker concealer by Rimmel in the shade Toffee. Do I put it here? And I put it here, and I then put it here. I just feel like brushes are better for me. Should look a bit like this. Same concealer and just shape up right underneath. Okay, and then I just blend that out. Next, contour on the blush. I usually use Made by Mitchell Deep when I'm doing like a richer look with foundation. But if I'm doing like an everyday makeup look, then I do the medium palette. Contour, I use a mixture between the which one do I use? It's Peach Sugar on the palette, and I also use Toned Up, Caramel Chisel and Teddy Bear. A slanted brush. Definition into my face. Multitasker, same concealer but different shade, nude. Tiniest dot in the corner. Now to me, that makes difference compared to this side. Blend this harsh line in first. How to fix this? You just create that line. I use this, move it about, and kind of bring it down a bit, and then blend that line in. So it's looking a bit better. Bring the rest of the product in your chin. Just blend it in this part as well. I feel like I use this same brush and I just fix the forehead. I use Teddy Bear, bit of that, and then kind of just. So I made like a line, and then do the same thing for the other side. And then you just blend that in. Same color concealer, so closest to your skin tone, and bring that down a bit. You get the light concealer, and then you just make a little dot and a little line. Now I might have put a little bit too much, but it's okay. So then you kind of just do a little line with this. If you feel like you've put a little too much on your nose, and you can just use that excess in the corners of your eye. Same with this part. And then you just blend. You just sculpt it like that. So you sculpt this part like that. So this is like a close-up. I got two blush brushes. I use these two. Peach Sugar is the one that I love. Sometimes I do dip into a Shy Boy. It just depends on the weather. But today I think I'm gonna go for Peach Sugar. So I put it right up here and then bring it down. Ooh. I don't really like the look of that. I mean, Alright, I think I'm gonna dip into a Shy Boy. It's a bit too bright for me right now, you know? So let me Shy Boy and try to fix this look. No! Oh my gosh, what have I done? What's going on? Do I usually... What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this foundation brush and just tone it down a bit. The concealer brush. Okay, so that's enough blush for today. Clean up a bit. Okay. I like to put fake moles on. Don't judge me. I just like to do it. So one there. I do actually have a faint mole on my nose, so let me just put it on there. So one, usually do one above here, and because this side looks a little bit lonely, so let me put one right here. Cool. Looking cute. I just usually do a brown liner and then lip gloss. So you can get this lip liner any beauty supply store. Well, not this particular one, but a brown lip liner anywhere. Just use my finger. So I'm gonna put a little bit of a Shy Boy in the middle. Usually I only bake when I'm doing like a heavy makeup look. I usually just, if I'm doing a light makeup look, then I'll do setting spray after this. I don't know where my setting spray is. So I always put Vaseline on my lashes before I put mascara on. It's just something that I do. Warm up my mascara before I use it. I feel like it's easier to use that way. I don't really like clumpy mascara look, so I try my best to avoid that. I take off my makeup, especially mascara. I use coconut oil is the best, I'm not gonna lie, because then it just prevents me from breaking off my lashes.
A few moments later.
This is the finishing look, guys. Usually I put setting spray after this, but I can't find my setting spray. But it's the NYX matte finish. I'm doing a more heavy look with foundation and highlight and, you know, eyeshadow. Then I would use Huda Beauty Easy Bake just to set the makeup in, because I know that I might be sweating throughout the day, or, you know, I just want to keep everything set. But if it's something like I've got one layer of makeup on, so I feel like the setting spray is enough for me. And I have dry skin, but if you had oily skin, then you might need to do the Easy Bake. It usually takes me 15 to 20 minutes to complete everything. Let me know what you guys do in the comments for your, you know, quick routine. Like, comment and subscribe, guys. See you soon. Bye, guys.